Hello, and welcome to this session. In this session, we will explore Learning Outcome 3, understanding the impact of accountability to stakeholders and external bodies on education and training. Accountability plays a crucial role in ensuring that educational standards, expectations, and legal responsibilities are consistently met. Educators are answerable not only to their learners, but also to a wider range of stakeholders and external bodies, which influences the design of curricula, the methods of assessment, and the maintenance of professional conduct. By upholding accountability, education and training providers can safeguard quality, promote continuous improvement, and maintain the high standards essential for effective learning outcomes. Stakeholders encompass all individuals or groups interested in education. Learners expect quality teaching and fair assessment. Parents seek safeguarding and positive outcomes for their children. Employers want industry-relevant skills developed in learners. Accountability to these groups shapes teaching approaches and curriculum delivery. External organizations set standards and monitor quality in education. Ofsted inspects institutions and influences reputation and funding. Awarding bodies ensure qualifications meet national standards. The Education and Training Foundation provides guidance for educators. These bodies require evidence of compliance and continuous improvement. Accountability leads to curriculum alignment with national priorities. Lessons must reflect equality and safeguarding requirements. Assessment practices are standardized and moderated. Professional conduct requires adherence to codes of practice. Continuous professional development is essential for maintaining standards. Learners are central stakeholders, influencing success through engagement. Parents support attendance and contribute to feedback processes. Employers ensure training aligns with industry needs. Communities benefit from educated citizens and shape educational priorities. Funding bodies allocate resources and ensure value for money. Ofsted inspects and impacts reputation and funding. Awarding bodies ensure qualifications meet standards. The Education and Training Foundation promotes professional development. Professional regulatory bodies set sector-specific requirements. Government departments establish national priorities and influence curriculum. Accountability requires alignment with national frameworks. Vocational programs adapt to employer-led skills agendas. This ensures relevance but can restrict flexibility. Content is determined by external standards. Institutions must balance compliance with autonomy. External bodies demand evidence of quality teaching and assessment. Organizations implement rigorous quality assurance procedures. This includes lesson observations and feedback systems. These processes improve standards but increase administrative workload. Compliance is essential for maintaining credibility. Funding bodies require accountability for resource use. Organizations must demonstrate efficiency and learner achievement. Non-compliance can result in reduced funding. Compliance secures additional resources and growth opportunities. Accountability affects financial stability and resource allocation. Inspection reports affect institutional reputation. Positive outcomes enhance credibility and attract learners. Poor outcomes can damage reputation and reduce enrollment. Compliance with external regulations is crucial. Reputation is linked to funding and institutional success. Accountability requires continuous professional development. Educators must meet professional standards. This raises teaching standards but requires investment in training. Staff development is essential for maintaining credibility. Professional practice is shaped by external expectations. Partnership with employers aligns curriculum with industry standards. Employers provide insights into skills, gaps, and workplace expectations. This collaboration prepares learners with relevant skills. Partnerships facilitate work placements and employment opportunities. Education aligns with labor market needs. Partnerships with learners and parents ensure individual needs are met. Feedback systems allow institutions to adapt provision. Parental engagement supports attendance and achievement. Learner voice initiatives enhance inclusivity. Collaboration improves learner outcomes. Stakeholders maintain quality assurance through partnerships. Engagement with external bodies ensures compliance. This enhances institutional credibility and transparency. Continuous improvement is encouraged through collaboration. Quality assurance is key to accountability. Partnership with community organizations addresses social issues. Collaborative initiatives support lifelong learning and upskilling. Education contributes to personal development and societal well-being. Community cohesion is enhanced through partnerships. Education addresses unemployment and social exclusion. Partnerships support staff development and knowledge sharing. Professional bodies offer guidance and resources. Reflective practice is strengthened through collaboration. Continuous professional development is essential for teaching standards. Partnerships ensure educators remain up to date. External bodies dictate curriculum inclusion through frameworks. Consistency and comparability are ensured nationally. Employers influence curriculum content with industry needs. Learners expect engaging and career-aligned content. Accountability ensures relevance, but limits flexibility. Safeguarding requirements influence teaching methods. Ofsted frameworks prioritize inclusive teaching. Employers expect practical, workplace-focused experiences. Simulation activities and industry-standard equipment are used. Accountability ensures realism, but pressures institutions for resources. Awarding bodies set assessment guidelines and criteria. Verification ensures fairness and comparability. Employers request competence demonstrations through practical assessments. Learners benefit from credible qualifications. Accountability increases administrative responsibilities. Accountability improves standardization and aligns education with industry. Learners gain nationally recognized qualifications. However, it restricts innovation and increases workload. Compliance processes can overshadow holistic development. Institutions must balance performance metrics with learner needs. In conclusion, accountability plays a pivotal role in all aspects of education and training. It not only ensures the quality of provision and alignment with established standards, but also introduces certain pressures on educators and institutions. Striking a balance between regulatory compliance and fostering creativity is therefore essential. By upholding accountability, education providers enhance their credibility while promoting continuous improvement. Successfully navigating these challenges is crucial for delivering effective and impactful learning experiences. For any queries, send us a WhatsApp message at 074843616888, and a team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and we look forward to the next session.